Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful, freshly restored 1957 Ford Thunderbird. Loaded up, absolutely gorgeous. It only has a couple hundred miles on the Resto. Beautiful paint. Sitting on wire wheels. Wide whites. These are brand new cokers. Stunning color combination with the black and the red. Love how the exhaust exit the bumper like that. Such an icon. This porthole hardtop really makes it. This also has a soft top too. It's a 312 motor, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Car runs and drives fantastic. She's new. Very correct too. Paint is beautiful. Right down to the correct clamps. Very correct Resto on this car. Love all the turn metal too. So beautiful. Smells like a brand new car in here. $31,880 miles, but I believe there's only about 200 miles on the Resto or so, somewhere around there. Automatic, AM radio. Doesn't get any nicer. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our site. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.